Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME C17 and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So let's start with opening the keyboard, for example in the messages, notes, browser, whatever. Just have the keyboard on the screen and enter the settings which are in this upper panel. Now let's tap on the languages, and this is the list of all currently added and applied languages. We've got only English, so let's tap on Add Keyboard, and here we've been transferred to the full list of available keyboards from which we can choose. So as you can see, we've got plenty of options to choose from, and basically all you have to do is to find your language and tap on it. So let me find the Urdu language, which should be somewhere here. And after finding, tap as I said. Choose the region also, and right here we've got the keyboard layout. So basically the amount of keyboard layouts depend on the specific language, because sometimes you will have only one keyboard layout and sometimes even up to 7 different options or even 10 different options from which you can choose. So let me pick this one, so let me mark it and untick this option. Of course, if you want to, you can use 2 or 3 layouts. I would like to stick to only this one and confirm it with tapping on Done. As you can see, the Urdu language has been immediately applied, so now we can go back to the keyboard and check. And basically we've got 2 differences. So the spacebar, it's not empty anymore. Right now we've got the name of the language we're currently using and the globe icon, which will allow us to actually change the language. So as you can see, right now we've got English, and after tapping on the globe icon we can easily switch to the... Whoa, what happened? We can easily switch to the Urdu one. So this is how to actually add the language to the keyboard. And now let me show you how to remove it, because sometimes you don't really want to have like 2 or 3 different languages added. So then let's go back to the settings and enter the languages. So this step with the keyboard layout list, and tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner. Now we have to mark the language we want to remove, and I will delete Urdu. So let's tap on the trash bin icon. As you can see, we've got only English left, so basically only one language. And after getting back to the keyboard, you can see that we did not have the language key, and also the spacebar is empty, which means that we just successfully removed the language. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.